GHR Concrete offers you more than 25 years of experience in specialized concrete cutting, drilling, and sawing. A minority-owned company, GHR Concrete has served small and large contractors and companies across Texas and surrounding areas. GHR Concrete services include concrete cutting, core drilling, wall sawing, electric sawing, breakout and removal, and concrete replacement. Why should you choose GHR Concrete? We work closely with commercial contractors, have approved clearance for high-security projects, and are skilled in all concrete cutting services. We have a professional crew who handles every challenge. We meet your deadlines, offer statewide and regional services for small and large projects. If you're in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, call us at 214-232-3622.